This video is about the apprehension, seizure, confiscation, and forfeiture of illegally cut, gathered, and collected forest products, as well as machineries, tools, equipment, and conveyances or vehicles used in the illegal logging activities. There are two forms of confiscation, which are the judicial confiscation and the confiscation through the administrative authority or the confiscation through the DNR secretary. In judicial confiscation, the confiscation is ordered by the court based on the illegal logging case that is filed in the court and as a part of the judgment or decision of the court. The second form of confiscation is through administrative authority, or the confiscation through the DNR secretary, which is the department head or his duly authorized personnel have the authority to confiscate. The apprehension is an initial measure taken by the DNR, supported by prima facie case against the offender, and exercised by those authorized personnel, followed by seizure. Confiscation is the act of the DNR upon determining the offenders to be guilty in administrative proceedings, declaring the confiscated items to be property of the government of the Republic of the Philippines. The apprehension, confiscation, seizure, and forfeiture should be supported with legal basis, whether from court order or the illegal operation of the offender is caught in the act. Illegal products, machinery, equipment, tools, and implements along with the conveyance are all subjected to apprehension, seizure, and confiscation, and forfeiture. The confiscated logs, lumbers, and forest products are subjected in disposition for public infrastructure projects and other purposes. For the confiscated forest products without court cases and recovered or turned over to DNR are to be disposed through public auction or donation to save the economic values of forest products. The prior to receive the confiscated products are the needy victims of disasters, DPWH projects, school building programs, healthcare centers, public markets, municipal buildings, police stations, and AFP camps. The people in position or other entity authorized by the court or the DNR secretary for the confiscation of timber or forest products are the forest officer or employee of the Bureau, personnel of Philippine Constabulary or Integrated National Police, any agency, barangay official, or any qualified person to be deputized by the department head, special forces of the armed forces of the Philippines, DNR officers, and other authorized personnel of the DNR, and other persons and officers that exercises his administrative authority. In addition, exceeding volumes of whether or not timber or other forest products from what is registered to legal documents for transportation are also be confiscated. Thank you.